All right. So what is the goal of an open house? It's threefold. There's three answers to this. So let's see if you can get them all.
Get new buyers.
That's number two.
Sell the house.
Sell a house. That's number one.
Get new clients.
Sell a house. Get new clients.
Maybe create exposure. I'm not gonna read it.
I don't know if you see it.
Developing a
Future
relationship.
transaction.
Build relationships with the agents. Guys, we're in a relationship business.
Mm-hmm.
You know how many deals I've won because I knew the agent on the other side? Because Julian said, hey, Alan's a good dude.
Mm-hmm.
It was what, last 2 weeks ago? Well, we just sold it so like a month ago. It's been that long. So, develop a relationship with that agent, even if they have agents, right? Hey, your agent is Julian Rivera. Hey, Julian, just wanted to give you a call. You know, Breon came by the open house today, wanted to see what he thought. You know, what are you guys thinking? Give me any feedback to give to the sellers.